if we can get that knocked out, then we can just focus on all the stuff to
And
the
then the
north.
rest of it's to the north?
Yep.
Okay.
So our ditches, you know, they're a lot of time connecting bodies of water where they're draining fields and lakes and ponds and stuff like that. It's not the road ditches that are, you know, right off the side of the road. They're usually out in the middle of nowhere and out in swampy areas. So yeah, so head straight to towards that small one. You can kind of see a little bit of a channel there. One of the big things that helps us out is, you know, if there is stuff going on in the ditch where, you know, it needs to be cleaned out, then, you know, just let us know and not really take matters into your own hands, I guess. So, I mean, it's best to just let us know what's going on out there and we can come take a look at it. I like it. I love getting outside. I've, you know, always been into hunting and fishing, and I'm out in the swamp for all that stuff anyway, so might as well do it for work, right?